So, apparently I suck at YouTube. Yeah, it's weird. I have been on YouTube posting videos for 9 years. 9 years. And I think I've gotten better over time. You know, I've learned to film things better. I've learned to light things better. I've got better cameras. I got a microphone. I've accumulated things to make my videos better. But why on earth do I still not get the views? Like, I see other YouTube channels that do the same exact thing as I do. Thrifting, vlogs, a mishmash of things, but mostly, that kind of realm. And I see them, and sometimes I can't understand what they're saying. Sometimes the lighting is terrible. The camera work is terrible. Not that my camera work is great, mind you. But I see these channels, and I look, it's like, how do they have 1,000 views in 2 hours? Like, I can't get 1,000 views in months. Like, what am I doing wrong? I have spent money on courses to learn how to do this. I have bought ebooks. I have paid people to help me grow my channel and, give me a channel audit to find out what is going wrong, to SEO my stuff for me. That's the search engine optimize my videos so that they get seen. And I'm still struggling for views. And I'm not doing this video for pity or oh, we need to watch her channel and help boost us. That's not what I'm doing this for. I just genuinely want to know what I can do to fix it. And I posted a reel. I say reel, listen to me. I've been on Instagram too much. I posted a short recently about, it was that Minions sound of, power and whatever. And then it says banana. I'll put it here. How about I just do that? I'll just put it here.
Respect. Power. Banana. Banana.
Anyway, the comments I got on that were obviously from children. Like, it's okay. Like, I get it. They're from young people who are just, it's fine. But it was like, maybe you should do better content, which is fine. If I need to do better content, I will do better content. Just tell me what I need to do better. Like, I am totally here for all the advice because I want to do this. But I just don't get it. And I've heard, I've read when I was doing all this research that if you have an older channel, that the algorithm doesn't share it, doesn't put it out there. I do have an old channel. I've been posting for 9 years. And there was a period in those 9 years I didn't post at all for about a year. So, could that be it? I know there's such thing as shadowban on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm assuming you can be shadowbanned here too on YouTube. But how do I fix that? The people who do interact with me and watch my videos and are part of my membership, they are also stumped of why I'm not getting views from the outside world. And, they can only offer me so much advice because they like my content. They like me, which is so sweet. But I just want to know what I'm doing wrong. If anybody who has a large channel gets to see this, and you probably won't, I want to know what I can do to make it better. What can I do to fix my broken channel? I'm really doing all the research. I've taken 2 online courses about SEO and YouTube growth, and I've implemented all the things I've learned. And yeah, we're still struggling. Anyway, I'm just kind of rambling and needed a vent. So this little video doesn't really have a beginning or an end. It's just me shooting my mouth off, asking for help. Can somebody please help? What am I doing wrong? And maybe I'm not doing anything wrong. Maybe people just genuinely don't care about what I post. Maybe people just, or maybe it's just not getting out there to anybody who's, it's not ending up on people's, what is it on YouTube? Your like watch page, like things to watch, or your recommended next video. Maybe it just doesn't show up. And if it's not showing up, then how can I make it show up? That kind of stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and saying random things. But I just wanted to come on and basically say, if anybody can help me figure out why I'm not getting views, I would be greatly appreciated. Okay. I hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna go back to my little life here now, and thanks for watching. I know it's a weird video, I'm sorry. Carry on with your day. Oh yeah, and subscribe if you haven't, give me the thumbs up, all that stuff, so I can push it, because apparently that helps. I don't know anymore. I don't know. Okay, thank you. I'm still going to post videos. I'm still going to be doing this, even if the 12, my beautiful 12, are the only ones that see them. It's okay. I don't mind. I'm still going to do it, because it's the thing I do for me and I enjoy it. So whatever. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.